morning everybody, and welcome to another video here on my channel. My name is Nicholas, and today we are walking out to something named Sky Mountain. It sounds a little bit better than it is, but you will see. It's a little hill of some sort with a tower or monument on it, but there's a quite nice view up here. So let's take a look. It's a little bit windy up here, but the view is really nice. I really wish I would have come here about an hour ago, because when I was driving to this place, I could see the sun was coming through the clouds, so that looks pretty nice. But yeah, I might be a little bit too late. I think I would try and put up my drone and see what that can see. So what do you think about that? I think it looks pretty cool with the drone up there. A little bit sad that the sun didn't come through the clouds, but that's just how it is sometimes. But it is a really nice view here. It is called Sky Mountain, directly translated from Danish Himmelbjerg to English. That means Sky Mountain. I'm not quite sure I would call it a mountain, but it is a nice view. There's no doubt about that. Now I will just take a little walk around here and see if I can get any nice spots. The only car on the whole parking lot is mine. Yep. It's also a weekday, so everybody's probably at work, and I'm also going at work right now. I'm just really lucky that I can have these mornings here sometimes, so I can go out and get the sunrise. But yeah, I didn't get any other places because it really looks a bit the same, and I have been out here before, so I just think I will pack my bags and then get to work. I hope you like this little short video here and you got something out of it. And you're also very welcome to give a little thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not already doing it. I will post many more videos, and I hope to see you in all of them. So that's it for me now. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.